and welcome to KCT. I am the one and only Witch Professor, and today we are going to talk about the Mysteria Studios programmable controllers. With these controllers, you can bring to life all of the automations and electronic mechanisms that you need for your escape rooms. Let's see what it consists of. The controllers have 12 button inputs, a 5V input for any external sensors, an RS-232 input for a smart screen, and two RS-485 inputs for a video player or a telephone. Both inputs and outputs can be heard, so it has a speaker port for its own speaker and a regular audio jack port. All of the sounds are stored in here. The controllers need to be powered with 12V DC in order for them to work. You can either do it by using its own cable with its special adapter, which should be connected right here, or by connecting an external 12V power supply right here. The outputs of the controller are these two relays. The controllers have already cables installed in one output, but you can use either the other one or both of them at the same time. So you can actually program their initial output state and change it with the solution of the puzzle. Some of the controller functions can be set both manually from the set button or via the program by connecting it on your PC. To do that, use a special USB cable and connect it to the download portal. If you don't know how to use the program, be sure to check my other video. And if you still have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us here. You can find many automations and mechanisms in our store or place your custom order. Thank you so much for watching, subscribe for more demonstration and tutorial videos, and I'll see you next time.